I'm being very lazy today, so I'm just making tuna. So this is, I have some hot oil. I'm just gonna make sure you drain the tuna. You wash it several times. That way you remove the smell. It has like a very strong urine smell. But if you like the smell, that's fine. Go ahead and leave it like that. So right now I'm just adding some garlic and some green onions. This is gonna be really delicious. It's gonna taste really good. So I'm just gonna make a sauce with it. So now I'm adding some green bell pepper and some onions. And this habanero pepper, and also some that was parsley. Like, I keep them in the freezer. That way they can last a lot longer. So here on this pot here, I'm making some rice and beans. It tastes really good. It also smells good too. So I'm adding some butter.